Janet Damita Jo Jackson, born May 16, 1966, is an American singer, songwriter, actress, and dancer. An influential figure in popular culture, she is known for her innovative works that incorporate socially conscious and sexually provocative themes, as well as her elaborate stage shows. Her sound and choreography became a catalyst in the growth of MTV, breaking American gender and racial barriers and enabling her rise to prominence. Lyrical content that concerned social issues and deeply felt experiences contributed to the appeal of Jackson's work to the youth audience. The 10th and youngest child of the Jackson family, Jackson starred in multiple television shows throughout the 1970s and early 1980s, including Good Times, Different Strokes, and Fame. After signing with A&M Records in 1982, Jackson achieved global stardom with the albums Control, 1986, and Rhythm Nation, 1814-1989. These projects led to crossover success in popular music and influenced the development of the new jack swing fusion genre. In the 1990s, Jackson became one of the highest-paid musicians, signing two of the largest music deals of all time with Virgin Records. She cemented her sex symbol status with a leading role in the film Poetic Justice 1993 and the albums Janet 1993 and The Velvet Rope 1997. Jackson achieved her 10th U.S. #1 single with the title track from her 7th studio album, All For You 2001. Following the controversy surrounding her 2004 Super Bowl halftime show, Jackson experienced a career decline. She faced an industry blacklisting under the direction of Les Moonves, then CEO of CBS, resulting in reduced radio airplay, televised promotion, and sales figures of her music catalog. The aftermath impacted the commercial performance of her 8th studio album, Damita Jo 2004. Over the next decades, Jackson continued to perform and release new music, including the studio albums 20YO 2006, Discipline 2008, and Unbreakable 2015. Her 10th concert tour, Together Again Tour 2023 to 2024, became the highest-grossing tour of her career. Jackson is one of the best-selling music artists of all time, with estimated sales of over 100 million records. She holds the record for the most consecutive top 10 entries on the U.S. Billboard Hot 100 by a female artist, 18, and remains the only artist in the history of the chart to have 7 singles from one album Rhythm Nation 1814 peak within the top 5 positions. Billboard ranked her among the highest charting musicians in history and the second most successful artist of the 1990s. Her accolades include 5 Grammy Awards, 11 Billboard Music Awards, 11 American Music Awards, 10 MTV Video Music Awards, and 8 Guinness World Records entries. In 2019, she was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Legacy. The youngest sister of the precious Jackson clan, Jackson has striven to distance her professional career from that of her older brother Michael and the rest of the Jackson family. Jackson has sold over 100 million records, making her one of the world's best-selling music artists. Jackson has also been recognized for playing a pivotal role in crossing racial boundaries in the recording industry, where black artists were once considered to be substandard. She, alongside her contemporaries, offered viable creative, intellectual, and business paths for establishing and maintaining agency, lyrical potency, marketing, and ownership. Her business savvy has been compared to that of Madonna, gaining a level of autonomy which enables creative latitude and access to financial resources and mass market distribution. Personal life. At age 18, Janet Jackson eloped with singer James DeBarge in September 1984. The marriage was annulled in November 1985. In 1986, Jackson began dating dancer, songwriter, and director Renee Elizondo Jr. In March 1991, Jackson married Elizondo, and the union was kept a secret until the divorce was made public in May 2000. They had separated in January 1999. Elizondo filed a lawsuit against her, estimated to have been between $10 to $25 million. A settlement was reached and the divorce was finalized in October 2003. From September 2002 to 2009, Jackson dated music producer, rapper, and songwriter Jermaine Dupri. Jackson was introduced to Qatari businessman Wissam Al Mana in October 2006 and began dating him in 2010. The couple became engaged and married privately in 2012. In January 2017, aged 50, Jackson gave birth to their son, Asa Al Mana. In April 2017, it was reported that the couple had separated and were pursuing a divorce, which was announced by Jackson the following month. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.